Tired of scrubbing stubborn stains and dealing with harsh chemicals? Today, we're revealing the top 5 steam cleaners that'll transform your cleaning routine. These powerful devices use nothing but hot steam to sanitize and deep clean every surface in your home. Let's dive in. Number 5. If you're looking for serious cleaning power, this high-pressure steam cleaner is an absolute game changer. What makes this unit special is its ability to tackle everything from carpets to kitchen surfaces with ease. The high-temperature steam output ensures deep sanitization without any chemicals, making it perfect for homes with kids and pets. This handheld design is surprisingly lightweight and easy to maneuver. Whether you're refreshing carpets, deep cleaning your sofa, or sanitizing kitchen counters, this versatile cleaner handles it all. The compact size makes storage a breeze, and the quick heat-up time means you can start cleaning in minutes. It's incredibly effective at removing grease, grime, and stubborn stains. For those who want professional results without professional prices, this is perfect. Check the description and comments for the link. Number 4. Safety meets power in this impressive handheld steam cleaner with a comprehensive 10-piece accessory kit. The standout feature is the built-in safety lock system, preventing accidental steam release. This portable powerhouse excels at upholstery cleaning and so much more. From bathroom tiles to window tracks, kitchen appliances to car interiors, the variety of attachments ensures you're ready for any challenge. The steam pressure dissolves grease and grime effortlessly, yet it's gentle on delicate fabrics. Users love how well it removes odors while sanitizing, leaving your home fresh and clean. The ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue, and the generous water tank means fewer refills during cleaning. If you value versatility and safety, this delivers. Check the description and comments for the link. Number 3. Here's where things get exciting. This multi-surface steam cleaner comes with an incredible 11-piece accessory set that makes it suitable for virtually every cleaning task. The natural cleaning aspect means powerful results without any chemical additives whatsoever. This portable unit is perfect for environmentally conscious homeowners who refuse to compromise on performance. The steam technology penetrates deep, killing 99.9% of bacteria and germs naturally. What sets this apart is the thoughtful variety of attachments, from detail nozzles for tight spaces to larger brushes for floors. Users love how effectively it cleans grout, removes wallpaper, refreshes mattresses, and sanitizes children's toys. The steam output is consistent and powerful. For comprehensive home cleaning with maximum versatility, this is outstanding. Check the description and comments for the link. Number 2. This high-pressure household steam cleaner is engineered for tackling the toughest jobs around your home. The steam pressure is noticeably stronger than standard models, cutting through baked-on grease and stubborn grime with remarkable ease. It's particularly effective in kitchens with greasy stovetops and grimy oven doors. But the versatility doesn't stop there. This handheld wonder works beautifully on sofas, refreshing upholstery and removing embedded dirt and allergens. Homeowners are amazed at how well it cleans air conditioning units and washing machines, areas that often harbor mold and mildew. The compact handheld design reaches tight spaces that larger units can't access. Despite its power, it heats up quickly and maintains consistent steam output. The chemical-free cleaning is safe around food areas and perfect for allergy sufferers. Check the description and comments for the link. Number 1. Taking our top spot is this phenomenal 1050-watt powerhouse with 12 different brush heads for ultimate cleaning flexibility. The 1050W motor delivers professional-grade steam pressure that makes cleaning feel effortless. What really sets this apart is the generous 11.83-ounce water tank, significantly larger than most handheld models, meaning longer cleaning without constant refilling. The chemical-free operation is perfect for homes with children, pets, or anyone with chemical sensitivities. Despite its power, it's surprisingly lightweight and portable. The 12 specialized brush heads equip you for everything from detailed jewelry cleaning to large surface floor work. Users rave about how effectively it sanitizes bathrooms, refreshes upholstery, cleans car interiors, and removes stubborn stains. For the ultimate in handheld steam cleaning technology, this is our number 1 recommendation. Check the description and comments for the link. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like our videos, share them on social media, and leave your comments below. See you in the next video.